There's a trail following along that hill from east at the Bluff Springs Trail over here and towards the Peralta Trail. There's a mine up there, and just past that balanced rock there should be a slick reddish rock area that usually has a lot of water in it after rain. So we'll see what the situation is today. About 10 till 8. About ready to approach that pool area. See what kind of water it has. And it's rather disappointing. Ooh, I just saw a cardinal fly. Rather disappointing. There's no water in this pool. But there is a needle up there, and that's the area where the mine is on the other side of that pinnacle rock formation. So I guess I'll turn around and check out the Bluff Springs side of things. It's nice shade through here. It's a little bit humid, so I shouldn't be out here too long, but I do have plenty of water.